Now that I've crossed 5,000 subscribers, I have police for my security. What's up guys, what's up? I'm going to get my first vaccination today. Yeah, I just got lucky. I mean, one of my friends booked a slot for me via some contacts. Yeah, Nida did it for me. Thank you Nida so much for making Ovalida get her first vaccine possible in the very initial stage. Yeah, I can proudly tell my future kids that your mother never get COVID. But yeah, people still get. Let's be positive that all of you all get your vaccination done and all of us stay safe. Pretty scared of needles, I know. Now people must be thinking she has so many tattoos and she's scared of needles. If you're scared of needles and want to get a tattoo, all you got to do is put your earphones on, don't look at the tattoo artist, just listen to the music and get distracted by the tattoo voice. This is me the next day of getting vaccinated. I feel quite okay because I took medicine last night. My friends were like, take the medicine or else you're gonna feel feverish and you're gonna have body pain. So that is why I just took a Dolo at night and I feel better today. But my IBS is doing worse. I just understood that I have anal fissure as well and it's just terrible. Currently also I'm in pain. Just trying to distract myself, drinking a lot of water, need to eat a lot of fruits. It's really important for one to take care of what they eat. It's a little bit too much to think what you're going to eat, but I think you need to do it. Everyone needs to do it. It's great that today is Saturday and I can rest and I can feel much better and I have my holiday. So I'm going to recover soon. I'm going to eat a lot of fruits. I'm going to take care of my body, which I kind of feel blah. Oh, I have to do so much by myself. I have to take my... But that is how it is. I really hate when I have to take extra efforts toward things. Need to sleep. Need to recover. Bye. I usually FaceTime my friends when I'm bored. I'll call Tullu, but today is a Sunday and I don't want to risk myself calling her during an afternoon time and pissing her off, by the way. So I'm going to talk to you guys. Like, you guys are also my second priority. Whenever I get bored, I look to my beautiful small camera and I start talking. And that is how it is. Okay. I like to journalize. Yeah. I like to write down my thoughts whenever I feel lonely. I do feel like not just lonely, but when I don't want to use my phone and I feel like my screen time is too much, then I'll go to my diary, I'll talk to her about my day, I'll be thankful and grateful about the things I like in life, and it really helps me out. It's a cute green diary. I'm not fond of green color much, but lately I've been starting liking the color. Trees are green and I really love trees, but I never noticed them and I never noticed the color green is nice. Like, as a kid I never liked green color. I was obsessed with orange and now all I wear is black. So, green was never in my thing, but now this diary is... Excuse me, I'm vlogging. Okay guys, we'll continue this session later because a guy who owns the house wants me to get out. So I think when I move out, that is the time where we guys can have some private time. Okay, bye. I like how most of the girls on this platform or any social media have a pretty background when they do their hair or makeup and are pretty concerned about their look, and then there's me who just doesn't give a fuck about anything and would come on the terrace and just comb her hair and talk to you guys. Yeah, I have to make a wish because the clouds are moving. I believe in that. I believe in making wish all the time. Like, one needs to be greedy, okay? Everyone keeps telling me, Da, you keep asking for so much. I'm like, yeah, I am going to ask for so much. I am asking for so many stuff already. And half of them have been already accomplished. And half of them are on my way and they're going to come to me. Okay, Ovalida is going to move out this year. She's going to hit 100k subscribers. So if you guys have still not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. Because you know your girl has to hit 100k this year anyhow. A million, oh my god, if I would cry if we are hitting million also. But I'm so positive about us hitting 100k this year. I just don't know how it's going to happen, but it's going to happen. This has to be like the first public recognition Ovalida.
Not the first one. The first one was when you were high.
I was high, yeah.
Yes.
Let's not mention that.
Let's not mention that.
Yeah, so these are the first guys who said Ovalida, I was going to say hi. Too awkward. Which video did you all see, by the way?
Okay, so actually the most popular video through which you all got monetized.
Oh yeah, guys. Thanks to these
our
boys.
video.
Definitely, yeah.
उसके बाद तो रोज फीड में आता है. Correct.
Yeah. Tell us your name, by the way.
My name is Husaina.
So we are a part of a journey now, yeah, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're going to make you guys
Don't
popular
forget
now.
When you guys get super popular. Hussaina and Murtaza.
Even you watch the vlogs. Have you seen any?
So yeah.
So I won't make you famous. I'll only make her
But I'm with her,
famous.
right? I'm with her in the first
I do
place.
like your one-liners. Like when you say things, they are super witty and I think very on the spot.
Let's just stop there because he's going to go on cloud 9 now. But she doesn't know your name. So
Okay.
yeah,
My personality counts.
your witty lines now.
Of course, you've gone famous after that.
Oh.
She knows everyone.
I'm super into your channel then,
Follow
right?
Oh my God.
Also.
She said the guy who made famous. So everything is going to Abhishek. Meghna is
Us, not him. Us.
Meghna is definitely going to kill. Abhishek is taking all the fame. I'm not gonna lie, I was having a shitty mood because I always want things perfect and things didn't go perfect. So I was feeling all shitty. Then we decided to come for cycling and someone just screamed my YouTube name overly da.
What is YouTube name? What do you mean by YouTube name?
Okay, I mean my name, and we all flipped. We all three of us flipped.
Alright.
If you guys see us anytime in public,
Stop us.
stop us, please.
Stop us. Let
Please.
us know of existence who these people are who are watching
Exactly. Because every time we just see the views, like 1,000 views, 2 lakh views, which are about to cross the video. But we want to see you in person. Make sure to call Rhythm, me, Tullu also in public. Tullu will be a little awkward. She's like, I don't want to get famous. I never signed up for this. It's a very big day for us. We got recognized in the most populated city. In Mumbai is the most populated, right?
No.
Then,
It might come in the top 10, top 20. It's not the most populated.
only the hypes up though anyways. So Harsh has been vaccinated twice. He turned 66. He turned 66, right?
I forgot the old joke.
Yeah, old jokes. See the Antu, it's his birthday. Look at him.
Wow.
Give me a fake reaction. Happy birthday to. Oh my god, so cute. So Antu. It's such a sad birthday.
66th birthday,
Day to
Harsh.
Baba, Baba, Baba. Happy birthday to you. What did you wish for yourself now that you turned 25?
Young age. छपरा घर पे.
Y'all know. I belong to the Hype Gang. We are the Hype Gang. And you guys are always welcome to the Hype Gang. And I'm actually so hyped right now because Rhythm has finally installed the AC at his crib. It's a very big achievement. You guys have seen us sweating and the sound voice during our challenges and whenever we vlog. So now there's an AC and he just installed it yesterday. And right now when I'm gonna go there, I avoid going to his place during afternoons because God, look at Mumbai's heat. Even currently I'm feeling so hot. But now when I'm going to enter the house, you know, this is going to be cooling. AC is one of the best inventions ever. And you guys won't be okay. Let me feeling.
Welcome to the chill video.
Oh my God, what luxury. Meghna, how do you feel?
So good. It's like Rhythm script is complete.
Where's the Red Bull fridge, by the way? That is missing, Meghna. Oh my
Step by
God.
step. Step by step.
No control, right?
No, you're in the bill for this.
Exactly, I'm
Yes.
paying because I'm going to be the one who's going to use it the most. And I'm not paying them for editing, so I guess I shall pay for the.
Yeah.
You look fair now. Is this the AC?
It's the AC. It's the AC. When people go to cold areas, then they come back, they're all pale and white.
Oh yeah,
This
definitely.
is the effect. Oh yeah.
People think we're earning too much from the YouTube money.
This is second hand. So chill.
Today has been very grateful, Chati. Hat Chati.
Wakanda forever.
Today has been a very auspicious day. We are very grateful. Thank you guys for the support, for the views. Thank you so much. We see a very bright future.
Sweat-free future. No more sweats and fan noise in the challenge videos.
Yeah, the AC was on for 5 hours. We totally forgot that I'm supposed to pay the bill. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Today's video shout out goes to Yash because
भैया हमको हिंदी नहीं आती. We are from the elite South Bombay areas. I'm just joking.
God,
Don't cancel me,
bhaiya.
please. Okay, Kukubayo. We are just talking English because we want to make content in English. Alright? Carry on, please.
Don't forget to hit that like button, share it with your friends, subscribe below, and don't forget to hit the notification bell icon to get notified. I think this is the best outro ever.
I'm
Bye.
done with all this FaceTime, need some alone time, baby. You're always running in my mind. I'm sick of daydreaming, I just want the feeling of you in my bed.
This is the next day of me getting vaccination. I took a medicine last night, so that's the reason I didn't get any fever.